Hi guys, Jamie here, hope you're well. We're gonna make the most delicious chicken recipe that's beautiful, super healthy, and a brilliant midweek meal. To guarantee that I get perfect results, I am using my Tefal Red Collection stainless steel range of pans. The ultra-resistant non-stick coating makes cooking this dish an absolute breeze. And this little beauty here, the thermo spot, tells you when you've hit the right temperature to start cooking. Brilliant. Let's get cracking on with the recipe. We're going to whack a little marinade together. We're going to do olive oil into a bowl. We're going to go in with a little vinegar, or you could use lemon juice if you want. And we're going to use some lovely flakes of chili. Salt, pepper, and that's a very simple little marinade right there. Now, with the chicken, we can put it straight in. But before I do that, you want to have a little score up on the chicken. And what you're going to do is allow the seasoning in, and then I'm going to put it in the marinade. Get your hands in and push in that marinade and that seasoning into the pan. It's on a medium-high heat. Let's wash our hands. And then what I want to do is prep up some asparagus. Absolutely beautiful. So first up, I'm going to cut at a slight angle, and I'm just going to take the lovely tips off. And then with the stalk here, I'm just going to cut sort of 2 centimetre slices like that. And we've got that done. I'm using actually some frozen broad beans and peas. They're fantastic to have in the freezer, super nutritious. So into the boiling water with the peas, the broad beans, and the asparagus. Straight back on with the lid. With the chicken, let's get the tongs and turn over. Look at that, guys. But what you can see from this pan is these lovely silicone handles stop the heat getting to your hands. So it's nice to handle, it's sturdy, it's really secure. And these thick bottoms here, really, really important. These thick bottoms, very importantly, distribute the heat very evenly. And not only that, they retain the heat. So when you put things like chicken breasts that are cold in it, there's still loads of heat, you know, colouring it. You can see how quickly that coloured up. Now, we want to make a nice little sauce. We're going to get our bunch of mint like that. We're going to rip it off like that. The mint goes in, just a little olive oil. We're going to hit it up with some seasoning, some salt, and then we're going to go in with some red or white wine vinegar. So we're going to take some of that boiling water and greens straight in, and we'll whiz it up. It'll taste incredible. So this salsa is done. Very, very happy with that. We're going to put the veggies into a nice bowl. I'm just going to serve up one portion here. So the peas go in. We're going to plate up our lovely chicken breast. The nice thing about slicing is of course, then you can see if the chicken is cooked. And then I'm going to just come over here like this. I want to use that salsa just bravely and boldly over the top, in between all the gaps. I'll finish that off with some nice little leaves of mint around the story to remind people what's going on. And then just a lovely little bit of feta cheese. Just a little chunk here and a little bit of snow there. So guys, look, a beautifully cooked dish of chicken breast, spring veggies, feta, and the most delicious mint sauce with a little bit of help from our friends at Tefal.